Now let's look at the syntax questions. I'm going to give you the answers to the syntax questions, and as I said, the real midterm questions are going to be very similar. So the first sentence is a very simple sentence. This is a very simple tree. This is a pronoun, and we know pronoun is treated as noun when we're drawing trees. Is
the verb. And this noun phrase is dominated by the verb phrase here. And that is our main verb phrase. This is our main noun phrase. And that is our first sentence.
Let's go to the next sentence. So this sentence is a yes-no question. And the first step is to rewrite this sentence into its underlying form. So in the yes-no question, we know that the surface form has inversed the auxiliary verb and the subject. So the underlying form will be
You do now these two. So these two together is our NP under the VP, and you as the subject is our main NP here. And then we have our tree.
Remember, very importantly, when you draw trees for questions, you need to mark the movement. So we need to mark the do. Do you know this tree? Very good. The next question. Okay, so this is a WH question. So we need to identify what information the word what in this sentence refers to. So, do you know about this tree? You know what about this tree? So we know the WH word comes from here. It is the object of the verb know. And we know that the underlying form should have the auxiliary after the subject. So our underlying sentence is So now we need to draw trees for this sentence and then mark the movements. So let's draw the tree first. And now we need to identify whether this prepositional phrase is part of the word what or part of the verb know. So what here can also be understood as something. You do know something about this tree, but we want to ask you what this something is. So about this tree actually gives more information about the what word here. So we want to draw the PP under this NP. And this NP is under this VP. And then we have you being the main subject NP, and then our sentence NP aux VP. After you draw the tree, mark the movement. So first, reverse the auxiliary and the subject, and then front the WH word. Okay. I'm not going to draw the next sentence with you, but I'm going to give you a hint. Most of the ambiguity comes from where the prepositional phrase attached to. So if you connect the prepositional phrase in my pajamas to the verb, then that indicates the doer of the verb is in my pajamas. But if you connect the prepositional phrase in my pajamas to elephant, then that means the elephant is in my pajamas. Can you figure it out? Good luck!